What up, everyone? It's your boy Dio. This is Franklin Investment. BioNanians today was crazy, guys. I mean, the market opened like scared everybody. Then, luckily, we closed green. Okay, so this is the situation of the market. In this video, I want to talk about Kevin Degeeter from Oppenheimer and what they have done in the previous quarter, in the first quarter of 2021. And of course, I want to show you guys the market review, what happened today. And of course, I want to share with you guys what I discover, okay, in the technical analysis so that we can know where we are and where we are heading towards. So, my name is Dio. Welcome to Franklin Investments, where we talk about BioNano Genomics stock. Every day I post at least one video. Okay, so if you want to join this channel, please use the link below, click on join so that you can support the channel. It's going to help the channel and it's going to help me to keep producing amazing content for you guys. So this is the situation of the market. This is one day performance, okay, and we can see that the biotechnology sector today performed really not bad. Okay, I mean, we can see a lot of companies closed green today. Some closed like 6%, some like 5%, some 7%, and of course it is good in comparison to what has been happening. If you go to the 3-month performance, you guys can see that biotechnology companies, you can see the stocks are still more or less deeply in red, apart from BNTX and which other stock is even going higher out there, and TECH, and of course JAZZ. The rest are just deep in red. I still have a position in BioNano Genomics that is down like 60%. You can go to my Twitter at I am Dio. You can find it. I shared a picture a few minutes ago about one of my positions that I opened with 1,600 US dollars and it's down like 900 or so. So we are in this together, guys. So this is what happened. If you go to Oppenheimer, they stick to their buy rating, and this news was shared on April 7 2021. Of course, I made a video about it and shared it with you guys. Oppenheimer, Kevin Degeeter from Oppenheimer is the only analyst with 15 US dollars price target on BioNano Genomics. I'm going to share more with you guys in a minute. So he has a 15 US dollars price target on BNGO when the price, the price was around 7.85 US dollars when he made it, and that was 91% upside. Okay, now if you want to compare the price of today, I mean, today we saw 4.5 US dollars, guys. That was crazy. Now Kevin Degeeter has been, he has been rating BioNano Genomics for like since 2020 April 8th. That is the first time I think that he started to rate this company, and you guys can see it has always been buy. Okay, so we have like 100 and something percent upside, from current level. But so this is what happened today, guys. Yesterday, Oppenheimer Co Inc, they filed their 13F and they revealed their ownership of BioNano Genomics. This is the first time they are investing in BNGO, in my opinion, according to this filing. Perhaps they have previously invested and sold all their positions, but this filing is only letting us know that this is the first time. You cannot find any other history. You guys can see on the 31st of March they opened this position, okay, 380,000 US dollars, and I'm still going to show you guys in a minute in the price action so that we can know where the price was on the 31st of March when they opened this position. They bought about 47,008 shares of BioNano Genomics, and yeah, so that is about 380,000 US dollars. So right now nobody knows what they have been doing. Okay, I mean, maybe they are adding to their position because Kevin Degeeter from Oppenheimer has a price target of 15 US dollars, and I mean, that is massive upside from current level that we are. Okay, now this is Oppenheimer. If you go to their portfolio value, I believe this is the amount that Kevin Degeeter is managing. This is 5 billion US dollars. Okay, and you can see the current positions, 1,432 current positions. Open position 5. I believe this open position, BioNano Genomics, is one of these newly open positions, and you can see it closed like 104 positions. So that is all I want to share with you guys about Oppenheimer. We have only 3 analysts covering BioNano Genomics right now, and 3 of them have buy rating on BNGO. Of course, there is Scott Henry from, what's the name of this Scott Henry from, there's fourth analyst covering BioNano Genomics, Scott Henry from, I forgot the name of his fund. So this guy only, he hasn't updated this rating on BNGO, so we are not counting it, because after 3 months, if you fail to update your rating, if you fail to reiterate or downgrade or upgrade, they are going to remove you from the rating. So that is why we have 3 analysts right now covering BNGO, apart from Scott Henry from Rhodes Capital. Rhodes Capital, that is the name of Scott Henry fund, I remember. So he is the only person that is not, he has refused to update or upgrade or whatever is BNGO rating. So yeah. Now this is the situation of the market. Okay, today we went up like 2.20%. I mean, up like 11 cents. I mean, we were down to 4 point something when the market opened, and everyone was checking out. And of course, if you see my video, every day I post a video before the market open. I try to post it to share my opinion with you guys. In that video, I told you guys to be aware of what is gonna happen. Okay, I always tell you guys to keep an open mind. You don't just have to invest and expect the price to fly higher. Right now the sentiment of the market is really, really negative. So now, these are the key points that I want to share with you guys. Am I super bullish right now? I mean, I've always been bullish of BNGO, okay? But if you look at the volume, I mean, the volume is very little. We have 9.5 million shares today exchanging hands, okay? That is even less than the average volume of 27 million. And another thing I want to let you guys know is we are in a buy area, a buy zone, a super strong buy zone. You guys can see the market cap right now is 1.4 billion US dollars, and according to our total addressable market, I mean, this is very, very small, okay? Because even the bearish analysts or the short sellers, their thesis is that BioNano Genomics, at 3 billion US dollars is overbought. So right now, I believe even they believe this stock is oversold right now, just like any other growth stock out there. So this is the technical analysis of BNGO. This is what happened today, guys. I mean, we went down. From my previous video, I told you guys, before the market opened, I told you guys that you should be ready. The price was around 4.70 something US dollars, I believe, when I made that my pre-market video. I think around this level, and I told you guys to be, should be open-minded, because we still have this 200 daily moving average around this level, 4.12 US dollars. It was around this 4.09 US dollars when I made that video, I think. So now you can see the moving average is coming up. Okay, now it is at 4.12 US dollars. So am I super bullish? There is a possibility that is it. The sell-off is over. Okay, there is a very, very good possibility, because this candle right here, I would prefer if this candle close around this level at 5.28 US dollars. That would be super bullish. But I am not completely convinced about this closing of around this 5.12 US dollars. I would prefer that candle to close in the middle of yesterday's candle. Then that would be really, really bullish. They call it piercing candle. Okay, whenever a candle open with a cap down but close in the middle of previous day candle or above previous day's candle, that is always a very, very strong reversal pattern. Okay, but right now I can't really tell if this is super strong, because of course we still have earnings on Thursday. So perhaps investors are still careful. They want to hear what BioNano Genomics has to say on Thursday. I think that is what we are seeing right now. Normally I would expect this candle to close above this 150 days moving average, but we are not. That didn't happen. So now this is the situation of the chart right now. We have the support right here. Okay, and as you guys can see, we didn't really break that support. From here we didn't really break it. You guys can see that we are just touching the support right now. And pre-market was up like, I think, 1% at one point. Right now it's down back to minus 0.78%. so what I'm trying to say is, just stay, we have to just keep watching what's gonna happen. And on Thursday we have to see what's gonna happen tomorrow. If we open with a cap up tomorrow above this 5.12 US dollars, where we closed today, then that is a good signal. Okay, that is a good sign. But you guys have to also keep an open mind. I mean, you can see what's happening. We still have the 200 daily moving average at this level, 4.1 US dollars. So don't go crazy yet, in my opinion. I mean, this is not financial advice. I'm just trying to, let you guys know what I am thinking and what I will be doing. Okay, so we have our support around this level, and I want to show you guys. Let me quickly draw the trend line. I want to show you guys what is happening right now. Okay, so that you can at least, so you guys can see. I mean, if I remove this, you can see that we are at the end of this channel, and as I told you guys, if we have a lot of day traders with stop losses around this level, that the price was going to go lower very fast and come back up, and that is what we see that happened today. It went down, wipe away a lot of day traders with stop losses around this level, only to come back up. Of course, it's not only BioNano Genomics stock that went down today. We have a lot of tech stocks that went down and back up today, like Tesla, for example, like Neo. Most of them went open down and then went up. So when the market's open, most of you guys for sure were some of you guys were afraid, like it's over. I mean, this is how the stock market is. It's super difficult to predict. That's why I don't use leverage, and that's why you have to think long term, not short term. So short term, the market is always a mess, but long term, it will keep going. It will go higher. We just have to break this resistance right here, and then we can continue our journey to this all-time high of 15.5 US dollars, where we're gonna make a lot of profit. Okay, if we get to that point. So this is the situation right now, guys. Keep an open mind. We still have our 200 daily moving average at this level, even though today was super strong. I mean, we are still very low. I mean, the price is still at 5 US dollars, compared to where we were a few days ago, like 7.50 something US dollars, or even 10 US dollars a few weeks ago. So we are still trading really cheaper. We have to get above this resistance right here before I can start to celebrate. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys in this video. So Oppenheimer analyst, Kevin Degeeter Oppenheimer has finally opened a position in BioNano Genomics. That is what this video is that's why I made this video, to share with you guys the good news. If you have analysts covering a stock and not invested, it's not good. So if they are invested, that is a good sign. It means they have put their money where their mouth is. So that is all for today in this video. I have amazing news to share with you guys tomorrow. I mean, I want to talk about a lot of things, but right now it's 10:37 p.m. in Germany right now, so I will just leave it till tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting video, guys. Have a wonderful day. I remain your boy Dio. This is Frankla Investment, and now I am starting. I'm not gonna be sitting and making this video anymore. I mean, standing gives me some kind of ginger. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.